The 2020 Chevrolet Silverado is here and can be customized to be your perfect truck, especially when compared to the 2020 Toyota Tundra. In the past 20 years, hundreds of infants and young children have died after being left in vehicles, usually by accident. When turning the vehicle off, drivers of the Chevrolet Silverado are reminded to check their back seat if they previously opened the rear door before starting out. The Tundra doesn't offer a backseat reminder. The Chevrolet Silverado offers hill descent control that will allow you to safely creep down steep embankments. The Tundra wasn't built for off-road driving. In the brakes and stopping test applied by car and driver, the Chevrolet Silverado outshines the Tundra by stopping 27 feet sooner in 70-0 braking test. And for efficiency, the Chevrolet Silverado gets 23 miles to the gallon in the city and up to 33 miles to the gallon on the highway. The less efficient Tundra gets 13 miles to the gallon in the city and 18 to the gallon on the highway. For comfort, the Chevrolet Silverado hosts close to 4 inches more headroom and almost 3 inches more legroom than the Toyota Tundra. Chevrolet has always boasted about the payload, hauling, and towing capacity for the Chevrolet Silverado. And compared to the Tundra, Chevy wins, again with up to 2,200 pounds of hauling capacity. If you like what you are seeing and have heard, stop in today for a free 48-hour test drive. Once you fall head over heels for this vehicle, we will cover it with our free lifetime mechanical warranty for as many miles and as many years as you own this vehicle.